In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk edit variants in Shopify. This is really useful if you manage lots of products or sizes and you're tired of editing each one individually. We'll start by bulk editing whole products and then move into bulk editing their variants within a single product. First, head over to your Shopify dashboard and log into your store. Once you're on the main admin homepage, look to the menu on the left-hand side and click on Products. This will open a list of all the products in your store based on the current view or filters you're using. From here, we'll begin with bulk editing products. Use the checkboxes next to each product to select the ones you want to edit. You can select just a few or use the checkbox at the top of the list to select everything that's currently visible. Take a moment to double check your selection so you don't accidentally change items you didn't mean to. Once your products are selected, look for the bulk edit option, usually near the top of the list, and click it. Shopify will open a spreadsheet style editor where every row is a product and every column is a field you can change, such as status, price, vendor, or various meta fields. Here you can click into any cell and type, copy and paste values down a column, or adjust multiple entries quickly. This is where you can make large-scale changes in one place, instead of opening each product one by one. When you've finished your edits, make sure you click Save in the top right corner. Shopify will apply those changes to all selected products. Wait for the save to complete and then click back to return to your products list. Now we're going to focus specifically on bulk editing variants. Back on the products page, click on the product whose variants you'd like to bulk edit. This opens the product details page. Scroll down to the variants section. Here you'll see all the variations of that product, like different sizes or colors. Use the checkboxes to select the variants you want to update. With your variant selected, click on Bulk Edit. You'll see a similar spreadsheet style editor, but this time each row represents a variant. You can now change things like price, SQ, and inventory adjustments across multiple variants at once. When you're done, click Save Again to apply all of your variant changes.